I don't know whether I'm in focus or not. The overhead light is disgusting on my camera screen, but do I go downstairs and grab my light? Or do I continue up here because I'm a lazy piece of shit and make a subpar YouTube video with inadequate lighting? That's what I thought. So fucking stupid. Hello there, internet. So today we are back with another Cooking with Ashley. Now I hate myself sometimes. We are going today to be making, why did I construct the sentence like that? Today we're going to be making donuts. I kind of hate the way this is jiggling. Anyways, let me grab the recipe for this because I actually don't have it. Oh, my mom's texting me, wait. Now that, oh, the recipe's on here. Let me see. Oh, I took a selfie last night. Let's see what it looks like. That's not that cute. Is my zipper up? Yeah, okay. Do you see the way my brain just goes like this at all times? Okay, I don't think I have the recipe in my phone. I think I just got it off of an Instagram page. So that's what we're gonna do again this time around. Here they are. 30-minute vegan blueberry donuts. Preheat oven to 350. Preheat away. 2 cups flour, 1/4 cup melted vegan butter. I don't have a microwave, so I won't be able to melt it. 1 cup of almond milk, 1 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon baking soda, 1.5 teaspoons baking powder. Ooh, I have Jell-O in my pantry. I didn't even know that. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1 cup of fresh blues. I might not get a full cup out of this bad boy. Whoopsie daisies. For some reason, that coffee is slapping right now. Like, I feel like I just got beat the fuck up out of this mug. So I guess we will be using almond milk today. What did I write? Hi, nice to meet ya. A whole cup of sugar? Wait a minute, why did I not question this last time I was making these? This is a lot of sugar. Oh, that was a little bit more than 1. Also, okay, so I was actually really concerned with the latest video that I posted. The feedback was really good on it, which I really appreciate. So thank you to everybody watching that. I'm also gaining more subscribers somehow. If you're new to my channel and you're still here watching, hi, welcome, I love you. No, I don't, because that will scare you away and make you unsubscribe. I don't love you, I'm emotionally unavailable right now. Ooh,
these bloobs are fat, with a P and H.
Look at those motherfuckers. You could like, oh no, oh my god! Blueberries are my favorite fruit. And so if you want to know, like for my new subscribers that are all hanging out now, hi guys, how are ya? My favorite fruit is blueberries. Blueberries are my favorite. So if you ever want to just, you know, mail me some bloobs, actually don't. That's, what if you like poison them? Never mind. It's okay. Oh, that's way more than a fucking 1/4. Oh shit. Shiza! That's way more than we need. Okay, I'm super scared honestly because the butter isn't even melted. It's gonna be mixed incorrectly because it's not a liquid ingredient.
But I don't have a microwave, so, you know, I don't know what you expect me to do about that.
I guess technically what I could have done was just melt the butter stovetop. Looks kind of like cake batter.
Which makes sense, they're donuts, it's a form of cake.
Okay, so upon further inspection, these donuts do not seem to be accurate to the recipe in literally any way, shape, or form. Quite physically, any way, shape, or form. The photo, they're literally light, fluffy donuts. And mine, well, it is not like the photo. They're like really thick but moist muffins. But that's not what the recipe looks like. So last time I made these, they looked more like muffins and they had like these weird muffin tops because I overflowed the batter way too much, and I know that's what's gonna happen again as well. My hand's getting all up in this shit. We have half of one going on in here. Maybe I can like smooth it out. Oh well. Okay, so the batter tastes like ass, so don't do that. It'd probably help to put these on a regular sheet. Oh my god, the whole shelf is falling down. The fuck? Oh my god, I think it's off balance or something. The hell? Okay, well. Anyway, so what you're gonna want to do. So this is what we're working with here. We have them in the molds. Enjoy a word from our sponsor. Oh, never mind, don't. This shit's dripping all over me, it's nasty. Okay, Okay, so the donuts are actually in the oven right now. Give a little preview. There they are, there they are. Oh my God, yeah. They're, okay, well, my coffee still slaps, you know what I mean?
Hey guys, welcome to Ashley's Corner. So while my donuts are baking, I figured we can come in my little nook in the corner and talk Netflix.
I need some Netflix recommendations.
Ew, it is not wake up time. We're gonna pull this bad boy, or these bad boys, since there's two of them. We're gonna pull these twins out the oven. All right, I'm never doing that again. Okay, let's do it. But if you notice, the one that I said didn't have enough mixture in it, that's 400 degrees. Oh, fuck me. Okay, so the one that I said didn't have enough mixture in it is actually the perfect size donut. Oh my God. Alright, why did I not record it like this the whole fucking time? Are you kidding me? Look at the lighting coming in from that window. I don't know where I went wrong. Maybe I have to let them cool even more. If we hit 600 subscribers, I'll buy a microwave. Look at those motherfuckers. I already have way too many photos and videos for this this one singular YouTube video, but I needed to show you guys how they turned out. This whole container right here is all the ones that I kind of couldn't form, but we have 4 good ones, so all the rest don't even matter, you know? What your donuts would look like if you did the right thing and not followed me. This is basically how they'll look. Super moist, super dense. Honestly, it's basically like having cake. This with a nice glass of oat milk would really satisfy me. I don't know about you guys. This sucks. Like, I really don't know whether I'm in focus right now or not. Because, like, I'm also blind a little bit, so. Bitch! 2 Snapchats in a row and it ain't even my birthday. Thank you so much for 530 subscribers. I appreciate it. Bye.